Hey there, let's talk about page 5. All right, we've got a function that's 3 over x minus 1, and I want to know what is the domain and the range. Well, the domain is finding out what is going to make this sucker undefined with this denominator. So I'm going to take that x minus 1 and know that whatever that is equal to can't equal 0. All right, so add 1, add 1. So x cannot equal 1. Anything else can go in this domain except for that. So add negative infinity to 1, not included, along with 1 to positive infinity. So when you see a graph like this, typically they look, this one can't go to 1. So the answer you can never have is 0, because what number can you plug in for x that's going to give you 0? There's nothing. So your answer for range is not going to include 0. Okay. For the next one, let's look at a graph of a quadratic and find its axis of symmetry. Remember, the axis of symmetry is a invisible faux line that literally cuts that sucker in half. And because it is a vertical line, it has to be written as x equals. Well, x equals what? 3. That is also the x value for my vertex. Fantastic. Now, I need to find out what my y value for my vertex is. And it is 1. My y-intercept is at 0, 7. My x-intercepts, there are none. You can write NA or none, D and E. Pick a word. Our domain for a quadratic is always negative infinity to infinity. And our range is starting at 1 included and going up to positive infinity. Starts with your y, not with your y-intercept. Some folks got confused by that. By your y from your vertex. Your HK, it's the k. So from k included to positive infinity. Find the equation. All right, so if we have f of x is equal to a, don't forget a, x minus, I'm going to give you the function, a x minus h squared plus k. All right, so x minus, my h is 3 squared plus my k is 1. Well, to find my a, this is when I use my y-intercept. I left my f of x equals 7, and I let my x's be 0. All right, 7 is equal to a. Negative 3 squared is 9 plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. We get 7 minus 1 is 6, is 9a. Divide both sides by 9. And a is equal to, these both reduce by 3, so this is going to be 2/3. So a is 2/3. Writing my function, f of x, 2/3 x minus 3 squared plus 1. There is my equation. Oh, a little too far. All right, find the, oh, we're down to trig. So I'm going to see you in the next video.